they shouldn't be calling it a sale, you know. The best sheet mask ever I've tried. This is the one which I would recommend anybody. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about the Nykaa Pink Friday sale and what I got in Nykaa sale, and also I'm gonna show you how I created this look. So this was the look I created today, and it was very easy and simple. I really loved the whole look. So to know how I created this look and to know what I got from Nykaa sale, please keep on watching. So first, as usual, I'm going to use my moisturizer before I start my makeup, which is a really important step, like I always mention in all my videos. While I do my makeup, I'm also going to talk about the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, which is being like the hype in India now. So I have a lot of personal opinions about the sale which is happening. So yeah, let me talk about it as I do my makeup. So now first I'm gonna use my Murad moisturizer. This is an oil-free moisturizer which also, you know, claims to hide my acne scars, and it has been doing it. I've been using it for more than 2 weeks now, and I really love this. It's really light, and it also, you know, cruelty free and paraben free, sulfate free. So it is like non-comedogenic, which won't clog your pores also. So this hasn't break me out, and it really helps my skin hydrated. I use it mostly before bed, so I get the full potential of the cream. And I also follow by a sunscreen in the morning. I don't skip it, so that way it helps me a lot. So this is how the packaging looks like, and I'm gonna take 3 pumps of it. It has a very light bluish kind of a tint, like a summer blue or a sea green, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna apply this. I already feel really hydrated, so I'm gonna add a little bit. I also added lip balm to my lips, and I'm gonna add a little bit of extra cream under my eye, around my eyes, so that it is much more hydrated. I'm gonna use my Laneige vitamin C cream. It's a very light cream, so it's easier for me to, you know, easier for the skin to absorb, and give a slight massage. So now my skincare is done. Now let's move on to the makeup step. First I'm gonna prime my skin. Primer is really important because it actually makes your makeup last longer, and also things settle well on each other because you're layering up products, so you want to have a smooth canvas. So I'm using my Laura Mercier blurring primer. This is a very nice primer, very light, and I have been very cautious in what I'm using recently because I use a lot of products and I see what combination suits me well, because when I combine 2 products I sometimes break out. Very keen on products which doesn't break me out, so whatever doesn't break me out, I'm keeping it forever. So that's what this is one of the products. This is the blurring primer. So I'm gonna apply it only on my T-zones and areas I get oily, and also to absorb the shine. I don't have much of a pore problem, and then I don't have much of pore problem in my skin. I have a bit of textures and acne scars and hyperpigmentation. These are the problems in my skin. Other than that, my skin is quite fine. So my primer is done, and on the sides of my face, since it is on the drier side, I have drier cheeks, so I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. This is like a tinted highlighter, if I'm right. This is kind of a foundation, kind of, you know, you can even wear it on its own and it's still good. I'm gonna take a tad bit because you don't need much of this. Very little goes a long way. This product actually has 0 glitters, so it's a perfect highlighter. You know, it's somewhat like the MAC strobe cream, but that is a bit light and moisturizing, whereas this is a bit thicker. To give you that sheen, if you can see, It is really hydrating. It's a bit thick, so but zero glitter, so it's gonna give you that dewy look. So now I'm gonna color correct my face. So I'm gonna take this color corrector on the back of my hands like this. I am gonna use this kind of a large fluffy brush and just apply wherever I need correction, and I'm gonna buff everything because applying directly to the skin is gonna make the pigment even more, you know, saturated. You have to blend it with the skin and it shouldn't be seen separately. So I just took a little product here and then I'm gonna do the same thing again. Take off a little bit by using my sponge. So now you see all the excess product will be absorbed by the sponge. Basically I got a very few products, like it is basically it's just one product in a bunch. I got these Dear Parker sheet masks and I got so much of them because they were on offer. And if you ask me the best sheet mask ever I've tried, this is the one which I would recommend anybody. This was my favorite for the past 2 years, but it was not on sale. So they were never on sale for a long time, and then this pink sale had them on sale, so I had to buy like almost like 24 of them. This is my favorite, this charcoal mask. It is the black sheet mask, but it really hydrates and it's really very nice, and you know, it calms the skin. So these are the only things which I got in sale, because every other thing where I went, it was like the shades. You know, when it comes to sale in Nykaa, I just wish Nykaa watches it, or anyone from Nykaa notices this video, because when it comes to sale, every shade has to be in sale, not the shade which doesn't go fast or which doesn't have demand in our country. You know, they are on sale, and shades which actually go really well, and they shouldn't be calling it a sale. You know, whether it is a lipstick or a concealer or a foundation, basically they do not have a sale at all, but they claim to be calling it sale, and you know, site-wide sale, flat 60%. That is not what a sale is. You know, I've been buying from Nykaa for the past 5 years, and I've been a Prime member of Nykaa also. You know, I still buy from Nykaa, but then when they put up something like sale, I do not believe in the sale, because every time, whether you go to the store or you go to the website, you know, it is a very bogus kind of a thing, because they do not give a proper sale, but they call it a sale. They do not give sale on every shade. They do not give sale on every product of the same, every shade of the same, whether it's a foundation or a concealer or a powder, anything it may be. They do not give, there is no equality within the shades. Like if it is a very fast moving shade, they do not give sale on that. Then why do they call it a sale? Because they wanna, it's like stock clearance. That's what they can call it. Next time they can call it like a stock clearance sale, which would be better for people to know that they just want to sell out product which is actually not selling, you know. Or else, one more thing I would like to mention here is they could call it a gift sale, because you have to spend almost like 3,500 or 5,500 just to get a tiny lipstick or a tiny, you know, whatever complimentary gifts they want to give along with the product. So they can call it a gift sale. That is not actually sale. That is a gift. That is like a complimentary gift that the company provides when you buy their products. Okay, so what is there to buy from? Like, I couldn't find anything that I wanted to buy, so I just went and got those sheet masks. Whereas I have moved a lot towards Cult Beauty, the international website which ships to India. But one disclaimer, that you'll have to pay the customs for the products which you're gonna buy. But that had a wonderful sale, like that had almost like 25% flat site-wide sale. Any product, any shade, anything you pick, you just add the coupon code, and then the whole amount will be deducted. Like 25% from the whole amount will be deducted. Nykaa should be more generous in their sale. Like, there is no sale at all, and people be mindful of what you're buying, because just because you want a tiny lipstick or a tiny sample or tiny something which they're giving along, please do not spend that much money on a product. My personal opinion is that you're paying that much money for the sake of the sample, and you're actually buying the original product itself. So please be very mindful when you're buying during sale, and do a lot of research about the shades and whatever you're gonna buy. Just don't blindly buy. Make sure you pick up whatever you want and only whatever you want. This sale was not a sale at all, so please be cautious. That is my opinion about the whole Nykaa sale. So now let's move on to the next step. My color corrector is done. Now I'm gonna color correct my color corrector itself, neutralize this orange corrector, because when I apply foundation on top, this orange might peek through. So I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. This has a bit of yellow in it, so it's gonna neutralize. So I have neutralized my orange corrector. On top of this, I'm going to apply my foundation using my Estee Lauder concealer in the shade Cinnamon. This foundation is very close to my skin tone. So yeah, my foundation is also done. This level of coverage is okay for me, it's enough for me. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer on top of this, the same Born This Way concealer which I used before. I'm just gonna my concealer is all blended. I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So my base is done. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. For my eyes, I'll be using James Charles palette, a fluffy brush from NYX. It is brush number 16. This shade. A smaller brush like this and it on the crease area. I really want the shade to define the crease. So basically my eye and brows are done. I'm gonna add a little bit of liner and mascara and be right back. I just applied my liner. I use my Inglot 77 eyeliner, and I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my mascara today. This is an amazing mascara. I really like it. For my bronzer today, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade Deep. I did not buy mine from Nykaa. I got mine from Cult Beauty. For my blush today, I'm gonna use my Revolution blush baked in the shade Baked Peach. So for my highlighter, I'm using my Dior highlighter. It's a quad, so I'm gonna use this shade and this shade combined. I'm gonna use my Fix Plus matte version to set my face. So I have used my NYX lip liner in the shade Urban Cafe for my lip liner today. My Maybelline shade in Cocoa, whatever the coffee flavor, 270. Very deep orangey shade. This formula is so beautiful. I never expected Maybelline to have a lipstick like this. This is the first time I tried this and I really loved it. It's really soft but a bit heavy, tad bit heavier than my Wet n Wild lipstick. Those are like my lifetime favorites. These colors might just be too much, you know, stay away from the wand. It's gonna be a very thick layer, so I'm using this brush so that it's a very thin layer and a wash of color. So that is the look I created today. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and also click on bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you in another one. Bye guys.